Grammar. Look, listen, repeat. Past simple, to be. To be. I was, you were. Present simple, past simple. Am, was, is, was, are, were. Affirmative. I was, he was, she was, it was. You were, we were, they were. Negative, to be. I was not, he was not, she was not, it was not. You were not, we were not, they were not. Negative contractions, to be. I wasn't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't. You weren't, we weren't, they weren't. Questions with to be. Was I, was he, was she, was it? Were you, were we, were they? Short response. Yes, she was. No, he wasn't. Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Questions and answers. Was he at the pub? Yes, he was. He was with a female friend. They were together. Were they at the beach? Yes, they were. They were at the beach last week. Were they in school together? Yes, they were. They were in school together a few years ago. Was he late for work? Yes, he was. He was late yesterday. Were they friends? Yes, they were. They were friends all their lives. Were they pen friends? Yes, they were. They were pen friends. Was she happy? No, she wasn't. She wasn't happy. Was he ill? No, he wasn't. He wasn't ill. He was tired. Declarative sentences. When I was a child, my neighbor was my good friend. Mr. Green was a greengrocer. He wasn't my friend. He was an acquaintance. When I was in school, I had 2 classmates who were dear friends. I was in a team a few years ago. My teammates were my friends. When I was in my 20s, I worked in an office. My colleagues were friendly, but weren't good friends. I had a dog. His name was Toby. He was a loyal friend. Betty was my childhood friend. She was my best friend in school. Tom was my e-pal. We played games online. He was my best gaming buddy. Kevin was my best friend. He was my sidekick, my wingman. We were like two peas in a pod. Mary was an old friend. She was my mother's best friend. She was a true family friend. AI was like a virtual friend to me. AI helped me make real friends.